Alright, it is time for replacements. So, gyms have been replaced by home workouts, Starbucks has been replaced by Dalgona coffee, and the maids of the house have been replaced by us, the men of the house. So one of the important things that we were not able to replace is outdoor running. Hence, I got in touch with the expert, Mr. Daniel Vaz, who has been the coach of Nike Run Club India for the past 12 years now, and he already had a solution to it. How amazing is that, right? So now Coach Dan will guide us on how we can simulate an outdoor run with the help of a workout, such that we keep all the muscles involved in running active and strong. So when this whole quarantine and lockdown period is over and when we get back to running, we don't have to start our journey afresh, but rather we are all set and prepared to get our mileage back. Over to you, Coach Dan.
Hi Umar, how are you? It's good to see you. Must be missing dribbling that ball cooped up in an apartment like you are now. Yeah?
Absolutely, Coach. Playing football is the one thing that I miss a lot, but I keep playing inside the house with other people even when they don't want to. It's an understanding we have. So Coach, what have you prepared for us?
My runner friends who are struggling quite a lot to do their runs at home when they're homebound like now, and it's not so easy to put a run inside an apartment, and I'm not sure about the accuracy of the distance or pace that any GPS watch would throw up for these runs. So I thought to myself, why not put together a workout which would work in the same way as a run. Cardiovascularly, it would work your heart up in terms of your heart rate and functionally activate all the muscles that you normally use in running. So I put this workout together which has basically 4 exercises, and the first exercise is basically the jump rope, which you would use in doing single unders, and that's very easy. Everyone knows how to do single unders, or skipping as they call it. The second exercise is high knees, the third one is mountain climbers, and the fourth one is the stiff-legged shuffle. So these 4 exercises basically activate your running muscles, and these are your quads, your hamstrings, your calves, which is the gastrocnemius and the soleus, and of course the Achilles tendon, which is going to be activated a lot when you do the single unders. So these 4 muscles are being shown to you now in the next snapshot that you will see. For those of you who don't know how to do these exercises, we have a demonstration coming up for the high knees, the mountain climber, and the stiff-legged shuffle.
But I have to change first. And we are back. This generation is very fast, isn't it?
So coming to the workout, I've put these 4 exercises in a certain format in which each exercise has a work period and a rest period, and then a certain number of repetitions. And then you have a recovery interval, after which you do the second exercise, then the third exercise, and the fourth exercise, and each of them has a recovery interval. You will notice in the workout snapshot that you will get after I display it to you that there are recovery intervals between these, and it forms one set, and each exercise lasts for 5 minutes. So the total workout time is about 20 minutes for one set. So if you were to do 3 sets, it would give you a workout which is a little more than an hour, including the recovery intervals. So go ahead, try this workout. I've done it. I've got a few of my runner friends to do it, and we all agree that it feels as intense as a 10 or 12K run. We'd like you to try it out and get back to us with feedback. All the best.
Thank you so much, Coach, for sharing your knowledge and this amazing workout with us. I'm going to try it right now. Coach, I hope to see you really soon and run with you. Guys, if you have any questions for Coach or for me, you can write them down in the comment section. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright, thanks Umar. Bye now. I'm sure you wrapped this thing up to your liking. Go away. I gotta get things done now. See you.